Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you how to make these adorable little Frankenstein embellishments. They're so easy. All you need is the stamp die, and with the stamp die set I have a smaller one, and then this is the next size up. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've already die cut one of these, and I figured I like to grunge it up a little bit. So I only grunged up half of it, and I'll show you why in a few moments here. So for starters, we're just going to cut off the bottom half here. If you grunged it up or didn't, it doesn't matter then if you didn't grunge it up. And then you're just going to cut into that first part there, and you're going to cut up here. So just snip it a bit, and we're just going to cut that part out. So where we made the snip, we're just going to cut along there, because we want this to be used as the bolt for his neck. So again, I'm not going to take the corner, we're going to leave that piece there, and we're going to leave this as the bolt. And cut up. And then we're just going to fold this piece that I call like his hairline. Now you can score it if you like, or you can just fold it over like that. And now is the best time to color in his hair. I just use a black Sharpie, or as in this case, for this one, I just use like this black, like it's like a puffy kind of paint from Recollections. So you can use either or, but for the purpose of this video, I am just going to color in his hairline. This comes together so quick and easy, and I just think they're so adorable. And just like that. And then we're just going to glue down his hairline. Just like so. And then you can add googly eyes, or you can draw the eyes if you like, but I like the googly eyes. And I like this size, the smaller size. And we just glue them down. Now to place the eyes, for me they seem to be spaced out just right under the second indent there, or what you want to call it. And a little bit more glue for this eye. And place it under there. And you can see how fast he comes together. And then you just draw some scars on his face. You can draw a happy face, stitch up his mouth. If you want to add a nose, you can, and some scars. And then for the bolts, you can either color it in with a silver marker if you have, or you can use stickles. I'm going to use the silver stickles for this video. And just Make sure it's spread all over the bolt. You can use black or gold. And use your imagination. Whoa, little bit too much on that bolt. And there you have it, a Frankenstein made with the stamp die. So fast, so easy. I just love them. I just think they are so adorable. So there you have it, and thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And have a great day. Bye for now.